If you are a service member with children, you know how important it is to have access to quality and affordable childcare. But you may also face challenges finding and paying for childcare that meets your needs and budget. That's why the Defense Department is making some changes to help you and your family. Starting from the 2023 to 2024 school year, the DOD is adjusting how much you pay in childcare fees for installation-based programs and community-based fee assistance. These adjustments are based on Executive Order 14095, which directs the DOD to improve the affordability of childcare on military installations. The new fee policy reduces the number of fee categories from 14 to 11 and modifies the total family income ranges for each category. The highest income category is now $160,001 and above, instead of $155,001 and above. These changes provide a more equitable division of fees based on your total family income. The new fee policy also increases the fee assistance provider rate cap for both community-based providers and military-certified family childcare providers. The rate cap is the maximum amount that the DOD will pay to cover the difference between your childcare fee and the provider's rate. The new rate cap is $1,800 per child per month, up from $1,700. This means that you have more options to choose from when looking for childcare outside of installation-based programs. You can find a provider that meets your preferences and standards and still receive fee assistance from the DOD. Another change that the DOD is making is expanding eligibility to service members for Dependent Care Flexible Spending Accounts, or DCFSAs. A DCFSA is a pre-tax benefit account that you can use to pay for eligible dependent care services, such as childcare. You can enroll in a DCFSA during the 2023 Federal Benefits Open Season, which runs from mid-November to mid-December 2023. Your account will start on January 1st, 2024. You can contribute up to $5,000 per household per year to your DCFSA and use it to pay for childcare expenses that are not covered by the DOD fee assistance. The DOD recognizes the importance of providing you and your family with access to quality and affordable childcare and is committed to addressing the increased demand and challenges for this critical issue. By making childcare more affordable and accessible, the DOD is also enhancing the readiness of the total force. To learn more about these changes and how they will impact your childcare fees, you can contact your Child Development Center.